Alright, so this is an updated video to show where in the under 2016 fit the fuse box for the relay is that was causing the gauge not to be turned off. So we went underneath the left passenger side and removed the glove compartment. So while moving the glove compartment, when looking up, we'd see the relay to the left. The 30 amp relay, this is a relay that caused the vehicle to be trying to start by itself or the gauge light not turning off. So this is a fix to correct the issue. So what causes to happen is that the relay is defective, so you have to replace the defective relay.